So let's see section 202 of Companies Act, compensation for loss of office. Okay, so a company may pay the compensation to the director for the loss of office or for the consideration as retirement. Okay, retire हुआ है, for the consideration they are paying them. Okay, so let's see. A company will not pay in few conditions, in few cases. Okay, what are those few cases? First one, if a director resigns the office as a result of amalgamation or reconstruction, and he is reappointed in the new company, like जो amalgamate हुए हैं in that company. Okay, then a director he is resigning his office voluntarily in that case, and if there is a default of that director, okay, so for his own default he will not be paid. And if he has to vacate the office under section 167, we have seen few things. So if it is the case of vacation of office, and if a company is winding up due to his fault, that director's fault, and if that director has made fraud or mismanagement or breach of trust or negligence, so in that case, and if that director himself caused termination, okay, caused the termination, in that case also he will not be paid for any loss of office. Okay, so these were all the conditions when he should not be paid. Okay. And there are few things if a company is going to wind up within 12 months, and plus he don't have sufficient assets after deducting all the expenses, he does not have sufficient assets to repay the shareholders for their share capital contributed to the company, and plus their premium. In that case, company is not obligated to pay the compensation. And if there is no prohibition, if there is no provision for the payment of other than services, payment of services other than capacity. Okay, so and what is the amount of compensation? Section 202 subsection 3 says that director should be paid remainder of his term, or 3 years, whichever is shorter than that one. Like a person was appointed for 5 years, and he worked for suppose 3 years. He worked for 3 years, and now there are 2 years left. So he will be paid that 2 years, or 3 years, whichever is shorter. So 2 years is shorter, so he will be paid 2 years. Okay, and what is the amount, like calculation of amount to be paid to him? So average remuneration of last 3 years, or if he has worked less than 3 years, then the actual period, like if he has worked for 2 years, so that's 2 years only. मतलब जब 3 years हुए उसे अपॉइंट करेगा, 3 years नहीं हुए, so that actual period of that from that appointment. Okay, so this is the thing, average of 3 years, preceding 3 years, and actual period or actual period. Okay, that one. Yeah, that was all about compensation for the loss of office, section 202.